I buy milk every day.
I bought milk yesterday.
She runs fast every week.
She ran fast last week.
I open the door every day.
I opened the door yesterday.
He writes an email every week.
He wrote an email last week.
I drink water every day.
I drank water yesterday.
She watches a movie every week.
She watched a movie last week.
I learn new words every day.
I learned new words yesterday.
She helps organize the house every week.
She helped clean up the house last week.
I travel every week.
I traveled last week.
She goes to school every week.
She went to school last week. Activity: understanding the present, simple, and past tense.
1. Fill in the blank. I got milk yesterday. A. Buy. B. Bought. C. Buying. Two. Choose the correct past tense form. What is the past tense of run? A. Runned. B. Ran. C. Running. Three. True or false? I open the door every day. The past tense is I opened the door yesterday. Four. Multiple choice. What is the past tense of write? A. Righted. B. Wrote. C. Written. Very well. Congratulations! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson.
Thanks for watch!